Hey plant enthusiasts, welcome to Z Gardening. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gardening and plant care, and we've got a special ingredient to share with you: pumice. This volcanic rock might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about plant care, but trust me, it's a game changer. Stick around to discover how pumice can take your plant care routine to the next level. What is pumice? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how pumice benefits plants, let's start with the basics. Pumice is a light and porous volcanic rock formed during volcanic eruptions. Thanks to its unique properties, it has become a secret weapon for gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike. Pumice as a soil amendment. One of the primary uses of pumice in gardening is as a soil amendment. Pumice enhances soil structure by promoting aeration and drainage. Its porous nature allows water and air to circulate freely through the soil, preventing compaction and creating an optimal environment for root development. Improving water retention. While pumice is excellent for drainage, it also plays a crucial role in water retention. The porous structure of pumice helps the soil retain moisture, ensuring that your plants receive a consistent water supply. This is particularly beneficial in preventing overwatering and promoting healthier root systems. How to use pumice in plant care? Now that you're sold on the benefits of pumice, let's talk about how to use it in your plant care routine. Blend pumice with other soil amendments like perlite, vermiculite, or coconut coir to create a custom soil mix tailored to the specific needs of your plants. Sprinkle a layer of pumice on the surface of the soil as a top dressing. This helps prevent the growth of weeds and retains soil moisture by reducing evaporation. Pumice can be used as a medium for rooting cuttings or propagating plants. Its airy structure provides a suitable environment for root development. Bonsai enthusiasts often use pumice as a soil component because of its ability to provide drainage and aeration in the confined space of bonsai pots. There you have it, plant enthusiasts. Pumice is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting healthy plant growth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider giving pumice a try in your next soil mix. Your plants will thank you with lush, vibrant growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant care tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our green thumb content. Until next time, happy gardening.